Other new arrival, the 1970 Pontiac GTO hardtop, Baja Gold over brown. If the Baja race wasn't around, would we all know how to pronounce Baja? Would we call it Baja? like I butcher all the names.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Lancaster.
Baja.
Baja Gold over brown, rebuilt 400 cubic inch L67 V8. Got the PHS documents, which tells you everything the car was born with, not what the car has now.
Is that the Pontiac
Historical Society? Yeah.
Okay.
Jim Wangers heads that up. No, that's not correct. Jim Mattingly heads that up. Wangers is the Pontiac who developed the GTO. Muncie M20 manual, classic auto air conditioning, which is kind of nice, and the safety track axle.